Hi guys, so we are here.
Hi!
Aga.
So,
Waiting
wait
for
the upload of this video.
pag
To
nakalusot
more
sa
update.
pag nakalusot sa immigration, ma-upload. Look at our vitamins for this morning. And alam niyo na kung sino ang may-ari nito. Bibimbap sa'yo. Chicken. Ang kapal naman. Tikman nyo itong chicken. Here. Ano? Ganda. Ito na kami sa... Ayan, mga kasama ko. Ma'am Sheila. The wheel. Ay, time check. Anong oras na? 4:30. So, gutom na ang mga person. Let's see kung saan kami unang kakain for today's video. The wheel. So, this is our room with 4-3. Camera siya yung isa. Ako kahit saan. So, we'll be trying here, guys. Victoria Food Court. Kasi maraming tao. Oh, diba? Something like that. May mang pala. So, papunta kami ng Raffles. Correct. Store ng bus. Going to Raffles. We are here at the Calang Station. Next na pupunta namin, MRT to Raffles. So, ayan na siya. Basta nandito na kami sa Raffles place. So, we are here na, guys. So, let's... Dami trophy. Look at... Pagod na So, we are done na for today. Pagod ka to?
Yeah.
There's the 7-Eleven, guys. Pagbaba lang, meron na. Let's go, Doc! So, this is day 2. Our first... Hinihingal na. Our first destination is the Fort Canning. Oh, sige. Haba ng pila. So, hindi na kami pipila. Akayap na lang kami. Haba ng pila here. Ito yung Fort Canning. And pupunta na kami sa museum. The Fort Canning Center. Spice Gallery. Doki. What's that? So we are here at the Singapore Courtyard, the National Gallery. National Museum. National Gallery. So, ako na Para kayo akong talent sa pag-drove. Small wings. Manifesting. Tada! Very nice. If fan kayo ng art, this is a nice place to visit. But me, I'll sit down. Then, let's just explore. Ay, napakainit sa labas.
So, we are here at Supreme Court Room of the National Museum of Singapore.
So it's very nice. Look, guys. Oh. We are at the library, guys. So it's not allowed to make ingay. So we just ate at Wingstop, sorry. Wingstop. So we are here at anong place to? RT. RT? Basta magme-milk tea kami. Kasi sobrang init. So nagpalit na ako ng damit dahil pawis na ako kanina. Yung phone ko puro basag na. So we'll be trying the milk tea here. Where's mine? So this is my drink. Ano pangalan ng drink ko? Basta yung drink ko is... ito pala. Organic brown sugar bubble tea. So let's try. Maybe we should mix it first, no? Ito yung flavor. Tignan niyo kay Ma'am Sheila. Oh, cute na lalagyan mo sa kanya. Yung sa akin, pangmumurahin. Mas mura ng $1. Kaya ganito yung lalagyan. Hindi.
Kasi yung name ng
Okay.
is Capybara.
Wow! Masarap din sa'yo? Balik tayo.
No. Alam mo, gano'n ka lang ito.
Parang mali na 50% sugar lang. Dapat 100. Pero masarap yung boba. So we'll be walking na papuntang Haji Lane. Later. Grabe, walking is life. Parang everyday 200,000 steps ang nagagawa natin. Tapos look guys, apakainit. Nakabilad kami. Pero hindi namin nalintana. Wow.
Yeah. It's not hot here. It's
Oh.
very hot.
Ang tawag mo dito? In fairness, hindi kami nag-i-inafte.
In fairness, matibay yung ballers nila.
Oh, Pilipinas, catch up. Bumoto kasi kayo ng tama. Charot. Later. So, look at the building guys. This one pala. Kabut lang siya straight. So, this is an intersection. Grabe. Naka 11,000 steps na ako. Grabing achievement yun for today. One thing great about other countries, no? The discipline of the people. Sa Pilipinas, wala. Talagang hinihintay mag-stop. Stop and go. Let's go, Doc.
Hi!
Super Hagardo Versosa.
I'm enjoying the walk. I really love the walk.
Talaga. We'll see. We'll find out mo. So we are here at the Haji Lane. Wait. Doc. So we are here at the Arab Street where it's hot. It's literally hot. Okay, let's go. Arab Street. So we are here at the Katib Station. Papunta kami sa house ni Ma'am Sor, ang pinakaunang program head ng CMLS Pampanga. Di ba, Doc?
Yes.
The original mother of CMLS Pampanga. So that's it for our day 2. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sor, sa pabitbit and sa masarap na food. Di ba, guys? Ay, may kasama ako ha. Wala na, mga pagod na. It's 10 p.m. And look at my face. Ay, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. May pabitbit pa si Ma'am Sor. Thank you, ma'am. So, see you tomorrow for another day. Another day. Another day in my life. So, this is day 3. We're going to the Universal Studios. So let's go. Here at Coffee. Tara! We'll have our breakfast here. Let's go. This is our first stop for today. Oh. Sarap ng lamig. This is our food. Yes. Ay, laksa soup. Finally. So we are here now at the Universal Studios. So busy naman though. It's kinda hot. Studios, let's go in. Welcome to Universal Studios. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin to ni Doc. This is the before mat. Let's see later kung ano reaction. Later if ganyan pa mukha ni Doc. So there's the Jurassic Park. And we're going here. What's a water world? Close pala siya, guys. This is our next experience. The 4D something about saan? Ikaw nakikinig kanina.
The story of Shrek.
Shrek. Okay.
Shrek and the 12 dwarfs.
Shrek and gingerbread. Charot. Sige, later.
And the Prince Charming.
Bia. We'll ride that later. Sesame Street. Spaghetti pababa at pataas. How was the experience so far though?
It's good. It's so hot.
Gumagalaw.
Correct. Okay.
Nasa taas. Dati siyang street.
Dapat I'm sure you enjoy.
Eh di kung harap tayo, di ba sambasa tayo? Lights, camera, action. Buti ka sa second floor kami. Kung hindi pa. Correct. Ito yung may nahulog tas basang-basa sa harapan. Asan yung mga yun? Interview na. Artist na kami kasama.
Everybody good? Hey! It's my turn! Leave us alone, man! Come on!
This is my food.
Ano pala if wala? Ayaw niyang kumuha ng kanya.
Correct. Oo nga. Convenient, no?
Hindi mo muna yung kutsara tinidor ko. Grabe, gutom na gutom.
Wow.
It's big.
Yeah. 21, 23. Plus tax.
Plus.
Tax.
Wala silang tax mo.
Hindi, yung ano. 9% GST. Ano ba yun? Anyways, that's it. Roller coaster. Sasakay talaga ako dyan. Kahit ayaw nila. Pipilitin ko sila. Pero for now, dito muna kami sa Mami something. Okay? Okay. Oo nga, isa pa. Kaso yung ano, balikan natin later pag hindi na maalam. That was nice. Grabe. Ano, 100 over 10. Sobra. Sobra, di ba? Di ba? Akala mo pa, bebe. It's good.
Nag-video tayo, narinig yung mura ko.
Huwag ang ganda no, no? Saya. Hyperspace mountain level. Oo nga, for sure din. Nakanganga ako. Feeling ko nga pati isigaw eh. One of the best. So magpapalamig muna kami somewhere. So, yun. Hanap muna kami ng malamig.
Ha?
Ganito pala feeling ng mga test shoot. Pag pinaikot-ikot. Let's go! Autobots! Hindi talaga ako na hindi sumasakay dito. Ulas na. Alam, napakataas ng araw dito. So, let's see. So, moment of truth.
proud of you. Ayun siya. So let's wait. Tingnan sila. Babalik tayo. God, I'm proud of you. So that's it. We saw Sir Clinton riding Battlestar Galactica.
Yes, mission accomplished. The best, the best. I'm with Doc Will. Thank you, Doki. So this is your favorite. It's 6:58. So nag-last ride pa. That was fun. Did you
And we're
enjoy
going
it, no?
to meet Ma'am Sheila at Sentosa.
Yes, correct. Whew. That was fun. Super fun. Nag-enjoy ka, Doc, for today?
Yes.
Ako masaya ako. Nasakyan ko lahat ng gusto ko sakyan. Especially the cyclone. So that's
Kahit
it.
balibag na ako nito, okay na. Kaya,
2 times. Nag-enjoy siya 2 times. So that's it for our University Studios.
University.
Universal
Ako
Studios.
mag-end na lang.
Oo.
Universal.
Correct. Asa na? Dito. Universal Studios. Bye! See you tomorrow! Gutom na. Gutom ka na, Doc. So, hanap po na kami ng makakainan bago ang lahat. Okay.
Green bean. Para siyang kopya natin.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Kakagat, patikim. Ayaw nga. Parang siyang hopya. Ako pumili ako ng spring roll. Tapos magra-rice kami here. Chinese chicken. So, kakain muna kami guys. I bought spring roll. Bibili muna kami. So, meron silang ganito. Rated Best Singapore Oyster Cake. Let's try. Meron silang Michelin something. Thank you so much. Kasi love, dumating ako dito. Orange juice ang aking ininom. This is my food. Chicken something with egg. Let's go. Chicken something. Gusto ko ng egg for breakfast. Ram go. Chicken and egg. Orange juice. So we're done eating. How was the food, Doc?
It's good.
It's good, but it's hot.
Yes, it's hot.
It's hot in here. Ah, ibang hot pala yan. So we're here at the China Center. So close pa yung mga store because it's only 9 a.m. So we'll be roaming around here.
May mabibilan pa tayo ng mga magnet.
So, doon kami late. Lalakad-lakad muna ako. Done. Ay, sabi ko na sila Ma'am Sheila and Doc Will. This is Chinatown. So we are here at the Orchard. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Let's buy some drink. Duck and pork. Let's go. Let's eat. Ang tawag sa soup nila?
Why?
Why?
electric tayo.
Oh, yan dami.
Kasi,
Ako si Doc Will, kaso busy na naman siya. So, papunta na kami sa Gardens by the Bay. Super 3. So, this is our last stop for today. And tomorrow will be our flight back to... Saan ba kami galing? Sa Clark. Parang di kayo nagtitink. Uy, si Doc Will, nasa na siya? Go. Okay. So, look at the view. Let's go. Let's go to the beach. Go there. Ganda. And, napakaingat. Buti na lang maaga kaming aalis today para mag-picture and mag-brunch sa may Marina Sands Bay. Marina Bay. Marina Sands. Basta, there. Kami ay nasa Bayfront, yung mall after ng station. So, we're going to the trending na escalator sa there. So, habang pababa tayo. What's the view? Going to the Merlion. Hindi lang, syempre. Wala pa tayong pang-check. What can you say na nandito na tayo? Finally! Oh my goodness. That is the longest walk sa initan. Para sa Merlion. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is our Singapore trip. So mag-iintay na kami. Bye! See you next time! Let's go, Ma'am Sheila. Let's go!